In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use network days in Google Sheets. This function is perfect when you need to calculate working days between two dates, like estimating project timelines, tracking service level agreements, or planning schedules. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. First, identify your start and end dates. You'll want two cells that hold valid dates, for example, A2 for the start and B2 for the end. Make sure these are actual date values, not text. If you're unsure, apply a date format from the Format menu so Sheets recognizes them correctly. It also helps to keep your start date earlier than your end date to avoid confusion about the result. Next, define your holidays if you have any. This step is optional, but it makes your calculation more accurate. Create a small list of specific holiday dates in a column, such as F2 through F5. Each entry should be a date on its own line. They can be on the same sheet or another sheet as long as you know the exact range. Keep this list clean and consistent, no blank cells or text in the middle, so the function can read it properly. Now enter the formula, click into the cell where you want the answer to appear and type X network days A2, B2, F2, F5. If you don't have a holiday list, you can simply use X network days A2, B2. If you plan to copy the formula down a column, consider locking your holiday range with dollar signs like F2, F5 so it doesn't shift as you fill the formula. Press enter and you're set. Finally, understand what the result means. Network days returns the total number of working days between your start and end dates, automatically excluding Saturdays and Sundays, and also excluding any dates you listed as holidays. The count is inclusive, which means if both the start and end dates fall on weekdays and are not holidays, they're both included. For example, Monday to Friday with no holidays returns 5, while a midweek holiday reduces that to 4. If your workplace observes different weekends, remember that this function assumes Saturday and Sunday as the weekend by default. There's a related function for custom weekends if you need it. That's all you need to get reliable working day counts in Google Sheets. Keep your date cells clean, your holiday list accurate, and your formula references consistent, and network days will do the rest.